not lost, not found, just moving and fate came crashing in, no warning. You and me, I didn't know a thing. 2 days, first date, then everything. From food to friends to pages inked. Your laugh, your eyes, the missing link. You were a goddess, I was a mortal. Yet somehow our hearts crossed the portal.